So here we go, I finally got me a MacBook Pro. 13-inch Retina display. It's the newest version, i5 2.6 gigahertz. It's 8 megabytes or gigabytes of RAM, 256 hard drive flash storage. So here it is. Now I'm gonna unbox it, or attempt to, if I can do this right. Something like that, can you see? Yeah. Here we are. Apple. Bomb diggity. So here we go. First time opening this Mac. I like to be gentle with my new gear. Take my time to process all the goodies inside. Power cable and power cable, yeah, both. So that's what comes in. It's inside the box. I'll show it to you right now. This is the baby. Let's see if you can see it. Oh man, we're delicate. Alright, so there it is. I'm gonna put it down. So this is a typical stuff, power cable, probably some guides in the little black box. Designed by Apple in California. Pretty cool. That's the power cable, like I said 50 times. Alright, so anyway, let me go ahead and get it out of the wrapper first. So writing on the bottom. If I can figure out how this all comes out. Pretty sure this goes down. Open the sticker. Pull up. Slide out, hopefully. Slides out. Okay. Let's start it. I'm going to open it now. Of course, it has the HDMI, 2 Thunderbolts, and earphones on this side. So it has the HDMI, USB 3.0 most likely, and I think that's a card slot. I'm not sure. I think I said there was USB on this side. Yes, and no HDMI on this side. My bad. Clean the table, I'm pretty sure it's clean, yeah, clean. Some dust. I want this to be held in good condition. For one day maybe I'll have to upgrade. Apple's always upgrading. So here on the screen there's this, it's just on the front here. Just pull that off. So this is my MacBook Pro. Dun-dun-dun! Yeah. Oh, and there's my image. Hi, Richard. So anyway, let's start it. Okay, so I'm just going to enter all the information first. I'm going to turn the camera off. I'll put it to the side for a second.
To use English for the main language, press the return key.
Go to the front page. Hooray! Oh look, so pretty. So pretty. Okay, so basic apps, you get all that stuff, you know. I'm sure I have to maybe update something. I'm not sure. It's just came out, so hopefully. What's today? The 5th of August, 2014. Yeah. So, anyways, I'm gonna get started on playing this guy. It's pretty cool. Oh look, I have to delete the password. Smart.